Hi everyone, I have a boxing bag and it was very hard to punch and kick, so I thought I'd empty it and fix it up. So this is the boxing bag. I've emptied about 2/3 of it and it was very hard down the bottom. So this is the stuff that came out of it. It's like pieces of cloth, some cut up material of cloth. Now the last third of it is like even finer cloth and it's stacked up so tight together. You can see it's so hard. So what I'm doing at the moment is I'm just softening it up, just spreading it around more so it becomes softer to kick and to punch, using just an old rubber hammer. And you can see that it's actually getting a bit softer, so I'll keep doing that and then I will refill this and it will become much better to punch. And this is what I keep doing. Turn it around, hit it some more. Okay, we're gonna start shoving these back in, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Even close to push.
Very attached to each other. Okay, it's kind of full, but I have a lot left outside. So I'll keep trying. Okay, so I've reached the top. I still have this much left. Try shoving as much as possible. It's very dusty, causing me to sneeze and sniffle. See if I can shove some more in, otherwise I'll just close it and chuck them in the bin. Okay, not too bad. I'm gonna close it up and try to shove more from the side, because eventually it's gonna go down again. When I first started it was empty up to here, and now it's a lot better. It's much better. There you have it. I did it, got everything in it, and it's now much better than before. I'll hang it up. This is how you hang up a bag. Lift it up on something high, and then all you have to do is tie it up, and that's it. It's a lot nicer to punch and to kick. Right, thanks for watching and please subscribe.